Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and again I am back to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 11, and the chapter name is People Who Help Us. Means in our daily life that who help us, that we will see in this topic, in this chapter. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy playing like Ludos, Carom, PUBG, then you can read your books also. You can attend your online classes also. You can complete your homework also which you received on online classes. You can complete your project work also if you have not completed, because you all know that the project work marks, it will add in your first term exam. And please guys, stay at home, because we all know that we are in very pandemic disease virus like COVID-19. It's very dangerous, because nowadays it's increasing, it's not decreasing. So it's better that we can stay at home and we can enjoy the life with our family members. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, that the breakfast, lunch and dinner, before that please wash your hand, and after with use that Dettol and then sanitizer. We can use the soap and sanitizer. And please eat healthy and stay happy at home. Don't go outside from your house. And because before the summer vacation I just used to teach you SST, but now I am here to teach you like shooting the videos for you. And after the finishing the chapter, the homework I will upload on the website of Watford International School. In PDF file you can go there and you can check your PDF subjective wise, and you can complete your all homework in your fair copy. But please keep in your mind that your homework, it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting, and please use dark pencil. Please don't write any word spelling, and please complete it. Once the school will open, then I will ask you the homework and you have to show me all homework, because these all has I have all the records and you have to show me all the homework. So please use your time, don't waste your time. So let's start the chapter. So I am reading, you also read with me. Please take out your book and take out page number 54, 55, chapter 11. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Now let's start the chapter. That people who help us. There are many people who help us in our everyday life. Yes, in daily means we all know that there are many people are there that who help us in our daily life. Like suppose now we are at home, then the mother who helps us, she just cook the food for us. She gives us healthy food, so feed up. So these all is what, so the people who help us in our daily life. So some people are also there in our life that he help us in daily life. Like suppose that the milkman, they just deliver the milk, the postman, they can deliver the letters. So these all is what they can help us in our daily life and to make our daily life very easy. So here are some of them. So here in this chapter we can see that some people are there that who help us in our daily life. So first of all is what? Plumber. So plumber is what? He is the person who can help us in our daily life. Plumber help us to fixes and repairs pipes and taps. It's like if any leaking pipes are there and taps, then we can call the plumbers, and then he comes and then he just came inside our house, and then he can fix the all pipes and taps which is leaked and which is not working. So plumber is he is also very important in our life, that who help us and who makes our work make our work and our life very easy. Second is an electrician. Electrician, because in hot time, summer days, the electricity is very important, and the air, the fan is very important. So an electrician fixes and repairs lights and other electrical things. So electrician is what? When we call the electricians, when the short circuits are there, when something are not working like fan, AC, cooler, then bulb, then for that we are calling the electricians. It helps us to fix and repairs the lights and the other electric things. Other electric things, like if the wire is cutting, then with the help, if we can use the with bare hand that wire, then it will means we will just get very shocked. So for that we just call the electricians. They just help us and fixed us, repairs our lights and other electrical things. Next is nurse. After the doctor, nurse is very important because they look after us when we are sick. They give the medicine at time to time, they give the food, they provide the healthy food so that we can become a very healthy person as soon as possible. So nurse is also a very helpful person in our life, and she can make our life very easy. So nurse actually helps us, it looks us when we are sick, and it just provides us some medicines at time to time, and it provides us good food also. Next is a policeman. Yes, policeman and soldiers, and these all is what they are very means. Suppose that they just help us all the India, because at night we are just sleeping, we are sleeping at home, but they are just on the border, and they just help us, protect us, that we can sleep very nicely. So that the soldiers and policemen is also very important. It can look after our safety. So policeman is what, it looks after safety, that if any, like suppose any thieves are there, and if killers persons are there, if stranger are there, for that policeman is help us, and he can look after our safety. Next is a postman. Postman is also very important, and it helps us in our daily life to make our life very easy. Suppose we want to deliver something from one place to another. Nowadays messages we can use, like we can send message through the WhatsApp and through the messages, but some things are there like we have to send the courier. So for that we use the postman. So postman is what, they delivers the letters, and then again they come back and they gives the letter. So postman is also very important because it helps us to deliver the letters, and it can go to reach that letter, to take that letters from one place to another. So postman is also very important in our daily life. Next is a milkman, delivers milk. Next is what, milkman. Whatever the suppose the use of milk and milk product like cheese, bread, butter, then ghee, these all it can deliver the milk, and it is very important because milks can make our calcium strong, and it helps us to become a strong person. So milkman, it what, he delivers the milks, healthy milks, to the person, to house, so that the house will become a healthy house, or healthy person of that healthy house of that person, healthy person of that house. And it helps means it can deliver milk, so it also helps and makes our work very easier. Next is, did you know, people who work and get money for what they are called professionals. So people who works and get money, suppose I am just working and I am just getting the salaries and monies. Suppose the doctors, they can get work and then they can get monies. So for that we can call a professionals, means they are a professionals. Professionals means what, a professional or a job is the work a person does to earn money. So professional is what, it is like a job where we can work, and a person, those who are working, they can earn money, and they can make their life very easiest. Now next, this topic, that how many people, that why they are helpful, so that we will see in the next video. So please guys, watch the next videos kindly, and please whatever the homework I am giving, please go through the website and you can check your homework. Till that, thank you and have a nice day, and please stay at home, don't go outside. Once the online class will over, please go through the chapter and you can complete your homework, and if you are not completed the previous chapter also, that also you can complete. Thank you and have a nice day.